Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. If you all would like to see how I preserve my hair from this to look like this the next day, then just keep watching my video. This is day 2 hair is popping and I want to show y'all how I preserved it, so just keep watching. Hey you guys, so if you have watched my most recent videos, then you would have seen that I did a big chop on my hair. This is my hair 100% dry. This is day 1 curls, the first wash and go I've ever done with this look. And if you've been following me, and if you listen to my previous videos, I have never had short hair before in my life. So I truly do not know how to preserve my hair 100%. So if this video is a flop, then you'll never see it. If it is successful and it works a couple times after doing this, then I'll upload it and y'all will see. But I'm going to try to preserve my hair at night. I got everything that I need, I think. So hopefully, you know, it looks good tomorrow and it lasts a couple days while doing this technique. I got this technique from Hazel Goddess, I think it was. I was watching one of her older videos when her hair was shorter, just so I can, I don't know, get an idea. I searched what I was looking for and she popped up, so I watched it. So hopefully this does what I needed to do. So yeah, I am going to put my hair into mini pineapples or mini ponytails, mini puffs, because my hair is really short. Like, it's so freaking short. It's so short. Anyways, it's so short. And when my hair was long, as y'all know, to preserve it, I would just pull it all up into a little bun, a little puff, and put on my bonnet and sleep with it that way. So I'm just gonna do that, except in minis. So let's see how this go. I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of the video. Okay, y'all, so firstly, I want to apologize for my voice. I feel like I'm getting sick or something, so excuse that. But I'm taking some oil and putting it on my hands before I start putting my hair in these little mini pineapples, so my hair won't get frizzy. I feel like since it's shorter, it can get frizzy or easier, I don't know. But I took these really loose ponytail holders and put my hair into these mini ponytails, and I did 5 all around my head. And once I finished the 5th one, this is how they all looked. I did 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 2 in the back. And then right after this, I'm going to put on my bonnets. So my hair is in 5 mini pineapples. I don't know how the heck this is going to turn out. So I'm going to see y'all in the morning. So it's the next morning and this is what my ponytails look like. My hair was super smushed, as you can see. You can tell which side I slept on. Like that one side is I don't know, my right side, I don't know, super smushed. But as y'all see, this is what it's looking like. Still have some curl definition. I still have curl definition, just smushed. So I took some more oil and put that on my hand, and I'm just like separating my hair out of those sections, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray that side of my hair with water because it is smushed upward, and I'm just trying to refresh the curls on that side. And throughout this whole video, all I'm literally doing, I cut out a lot because I might do the same thing throughout the whole video. I'm twirling some curls around my fingers, as you see right here, trying to liven those curls back up. And then I'm just like playing with my hair, pretty much trying to move it and get it back into place. Y'all know, you know, I haven't posted in months, and my hair is longer now than it is in this video that you're watching. And my nighttime routine has changed. It's a lot more lenient. All of this isn't as necessary, but you know, yeah. once my hair started to look a little better from separating, just with my fingers, I'm taking my wide tooth comb and just fluffing it, and I'm literally just going back and forth between my fingers, my comb, twirling curls with my fingers. And right here you just see me fixing my edges. Like y'all saw, that side of my hair was smushed, so clearly I stepped on that side. Needed to fix the baby hairs up on this side. It goes one last little fluff of my comb, just trying to get the shape right. So this is how my hair looks after refreshing it, getting it ready for the day. And then this is actually my hair at the end of the day. As y'all see, my makeup was done and stuff. I'll link the videos I did this day down below. But yeah, this is how my hair looks. It looks super bomb. The shape is nice. You know, it just looks really good. So you guys, I did not show y'all the final result of my refresh, but this is my hair completely refreshed, worn all day, like being worn all day. So this is my day 2 hair. In my next clip, I'm going to show you my day 3 hair. But before I go, I want to go ahead and do my outro. If you enjoyed this refreshing video and it helped you with your short hair, if you're in the same boat as me, let me know, comment that down below. But also give this video a big thumbs up. Even if you don't have short hair and you enjoy this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.